Our top focus tonight. She was held in captivity and savagely assaulted for 2 days. She lies now in immense pain at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. The police wasted precious time in filing an FIR and launching a search for that 5-year-old little child who is a victim of a rape. Today, anger erupted in Delhi against the police in the case of the rape 5-year-old. Protest took place outside police headquarters, outside Gandhinagar police station and outside AIIMS, as well as outside the Home Minister's residence. The accused, Manoj Kumar, has been arrested and brought to Delhi. Here's a report.
Anger on the streets of Delhi a day after the 5-year-old brutalized by rape was rescued. While at AIIMS, crowds turned up in solidarity for the child. At the Delhi police headquarters, the anger of the protesters was more evident.
We can see anger on both the sides, protesters trying to break the barricade and enter the police headquarters, but the police stopping them from coming in, and that is where the tussle is going on. Now the protesters are also asking the fellow protesters to maintain calm so that the protests can be kept under control.
These are the people who are supposed to protect us. Then how are we supposed to feel safe?
Inside the police headquarters, the Delhi police announced the arrest of the 22-year-old suspected of brutalizing the 5-year-old. Manoj Kumar, a casual labourer, was arrested from Muzaffarpur in Bihar after he fled there, with protests against him in Patna as well as he was transported back to Delhi.
जो मनोज से प्राथमिक इंटरोगेशन हुआ है, उससे ऐसा लगता है कि उसने इसको वहां मरा हुआ समझ के छोड़ दिया था.
The police will now interrogate Manoj Kumar to find out if anyone else was involved in this brutal crime. They will also investigate the charges leveled against them by the victim's family. Fortunately, the 5-year-old girl is recovering well. Doctors say, though traumatized, she should be discharged from the hospital in the next few days.
At present, her general condition is stable. She is recovering and continues to be under close observation and monitoring. She is conscious, alert, and all her parameters are within normal limits. She is speaking to her parents.
Back on the streets of Delhi, protests intensified, even at the residence of Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde.
Candles, banners, slogans, they're all back on the streets of Delhi. One demand that all these protesters have is that when is the girl child in India feel safe? But their immediate worry, who in Delhi police will be held accountable for the negligence, for the delay in filing of that FIR? With Bureau Inputs in New Delhi, Arunima.